to fix error 0x800c0005 when playing media on Xbox app on console or PC. 1. Basic fixes include 1.1. Restart your gaming PC or Xbox console. 1.2. Update gaming device. 1.3. Check network and internet connection. Note that you Windows players may need to disable or disconnect from VPN or proxy. 2. Check your Xbox NAT settings, use the open type, path, profile and system settings general network settings. And clear Xbox alternate MAC address, settings network settings advanced settings alternate MAC address. For PC users, Google how to change the MAC address. 3. Reset/reinstall Xbox app 4. Play media on another. App, like Cody. 5. Reset gaming device. 5.1. For Xbox user, select the Reset and Keep My Games and Apps option. 6. Contact Xbox support.